We're back at the Techno World compound, Frizy tube, doing a few more fidget spinners versus, this time, an industrial tool. 3,500 degrees, 20,000 kPa. Without the flame, let's see how it goes. Yeah, not too bad. Let's see how the baby goes against 3,500 degrees. Here we go. Way! Looks like we melted out a couple of our bearings. We've done a bit of damage. But that's okay. It's all in the name of Frizy tube. Zoom in close and see the damage, boy.
On it, Sarge.
Didn't last long once we whacked a bit of heat on it.
Just following it up with a damage report. You can see once the 3,500 degrees has hit it, all of the bearings have melted out, the grease has come out of it, but it's not too bad. Let's give it some more.
Right, we're back with a number 15 tip, 3,500 degrees. Let's try an oxy cutter. You ready? Frizy YouTube Fidget Spinner burn off. Whee! There's one bearing out.
It's on fire.
Get it nice and close. Let's burn them off now. Fidget spinner. Obviously no challenge for 3,500 degrees. That's what we're about. Next level fidget spinner versus.
Right now it's just, I'm pretty sure it's melting to the table when it's on fire, so. Yep.
That's the end of that fidget spinner. Look at the bubbling.